what you focus on is actually what you create. Nowadays, a lot of people are so obsessed with AI and it taking people's jobs, taking people's livelihood, and even actually replacing people. But the thing I want you to understand is that there's nothing that is going to be able to replace you and who you are. Out of the entire history of our world, the earth, the universe, there has only been one you, and there will only be one you. And it doesn't matter what kind of algorithm or computer can essentially regurgitate and spit out the same words that you speak and maybe close to the same arrangement. The truth of the matter is, you are different because you will always evolve. You will always grow. You will always expand your consciousness, even when you're not trying to. The spiritual journey is an inevitable one. It is a journey of really coming into the realization that you are awareness, you are consciousness. And with that consciousness, you will always begin and always take the journey of learning, of recognizing who you really are, being a creator of your reality. And no algorithm, no computer, no software will ever be able to do that and replace that. And so as you go through life right now and you start thinking about and being concerned about I really want you to be more focused on I am. So don't worry about AI. Focus on I am, because the I am will always transcend the AI. The I am feeling this. I am thinking that. I am going to do this. I am doing that. I am being this is always going to transcend the fake, the simulated is always going to be ahead, because the simulated is always just looking to be like the original. You are the original. So when you recognize that, then you free yourself from any form of worry, concern, doubt, any kind of anxiety, any kind of pain and suffering. You see, that is the path and the trajectory of a master. You are a master. All you need to do is just simply remembered. Thank you so much. Peace and abundance always.